Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about making the most of your trips. Today, we're tackling how to use a Marriott gift card in 2025. With Marriott's latest updates, using your gift card has never been easier, whether you're booking a cozy hotel stay or a luxurious vacation. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your gift card balance. Head over to the Marriott website or app. It's super straightforward. Just enter your gift card number and PIN, if required, to see how much you have. This step is crucial to avoid any surprises during booking. Next, log into your Marriott Bonvoy account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and gives you access to exclusive perks. Once you're in, search for your desired hotel, dates, and room type. Marriott's interface is user-friendly, with filters for price, location, and amenities to help you find the perfect spot. Now, when you're ready to book, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the payment section. That's where you'll enter your gift card details. Simply input the card number and any necessary codes, and watch as the amount is deducted from your total. Pro tip: if you're combining it with other payment methods, like a credit card, make sure to apply the gift card first to maximize your rewards. One more thing. In 2025, Marriott has enhanced security, so double-check that your card is valid and not expired. If you run into issues, like an error message, contact Marriott's customer support through their app or website. They're usually quick to help. And there you have it. You've just mastered using your Marriott gift card. This simple process can save you money and add some extra excitement to your travels. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video. Word count: 348.